Hi, I'm Yehuda from Checkmarx, and I will be talking about a supply chain attack called Starjacking and how we can help you avoid it. If you work with code, you are probably part of countless other developers who are faced with the task of choosing open source packages for their projects. Open source projects are developed on GitHub and then published as code packages on package manager platforms such as PyFi. When choosing a package from the package manager, most developers will look at the package's popularity, usually by its GitHub statistics as an indicator of its quality and maintenance level. Package managers often display the GitHub statistics on the package page to make things easier for these developers. But as it turns out, the statistics displayed by the package managers do not go through any validation process, and it is quite simple to falsify the statistics. Starjacking is the act of linking a package hosted on a package manager to a different unrelated packages repository on GitHub. Unsuspecting developers are then tricked into thinking it is a trustworthy package. Starjacking is such an easy process that anyone can do it. The developer community have asked package managers as far back as 2020 to fix this issue, but they have yet to add a validation process. This means developers have to manually validate the reference between the package and the Git repo. The scary part is that many developers assume the validation is done automatically and are exposed to malicious attacks. In order to compromise many users as quickly as possible, attackers have been found to combine starjacking and typosquatting techniques. In typosquatting, any developer who accidentally misspells the legitimate package name would find their way to the malicious package page and probably wouldn't notice the mistake. One example is of a threat actor who published a malicious package to PyFi named Pampy.io, which had a very similar name to a popular package named Pampy that had over 600,000 downloads. Other than the name of the package and the install command, this package's page was identical to the original Pampy package. That is because, in addition to the similar look of the page, the malicious package was linked to the GitHub repository of the legitimate package, resulting in it displaying identical statistics, including its star count. The fact that the malicious package Pampy.io had been downloaded over 70,000 times is an indicator of how effective this attack technique is. Even if developers reviewed the code before use, they probably wouldn't have noticed the problem, since both packages contain the same code and the same functionality. The only difference was that Pampy.io had a dependency containing a script that steals information from the victim's machine and sends it to the attacker. Malicious actors rely on developers blindly trusting the authenticity of their stars without verifying them. Unfortunately, this works time and time again. The risks of incorporating malicious packages into your code are high. In the best case scenario, you will end up infecting high-privileged developer accounts in your network. If you are less lucky, you will infect your customers with bad software releases. So what can you do about it? Checkmarx services continuously monitor for anomalies in the open source software ecosystem and alert on such risks to our customers. Click the link below and start working safe.